Today we're going to be assembling the base for your bobblehead. Once you remove your pattern that you cut out last time, sprinkle a small amount of cornstarch. This keeps it from sticking to the form. We're going to be using a cardboard form here. If you'll notice, I'm leaving about 1/2 of an inch here, or a finger's width. I like to stand up. I'm going to grab my clay and I'm going to roll it away from myself. And I want that clay to overlap all the way from the top to the bottom. Don't stress out if it doesn't line up completely there. Now I want to come in and notice where it's overlapping and do a little scoring and slipping. You can use this very same tool to add the slip if you like. Please don't use this slip to fill in or coat the whole piece. Basically think of this slip as your clay glue. Then I'm going to press that again, maybe tap it on the tabletop a little bit to make sure it's nice and sealed. I can come up here and check to see that it's closed up all the way. Then you can start to use your fingers and slowly try to even that clay out, blending it into the side there. I find that just the heat of my thumb or my finger is enough to get a really good seal. Don't stress out if it's not perfectly perfect today. We can definitely do some cleanup next time. Please do not leave this on the cardboard tube. You also might need to do a little trimming up top. You want that to be nice and even if you can. Then go ahead and remove that cardboard form. Now you want to grab a piece of clay and we're going to cut a little circle to go on top here. I oftentimes make it bigger than I think I need it. All right, that fits pretty well. So then I can come in and score the surface here, do a little scoring and slipping here. That's what I love about this tool. You can score and slip at the same time. And then I want to seal that up. Again, don't stress about this being refined and having a nice texture at this point. We will definitely work on this several more days. Your main goal is to get it sealed up nice and even. I'm checking on the inside to see how that's sealed. I'm not going to worry about that so much because the inside is really not what matters. It's the outside of your clay piece. Then I would very carefully store this in my Ziploc bag and make sure when you set it in your supply bin that your cone is setting upright just how you want it. And then we'll continue to work on that next class.